Concrete finishing contractors have some key tasks that make your concrete look smooth and last long, like screeding, floating, troweling, edging, and curing. So, here's the deal with those tasks. Screeding is basically leveling the fresh concrete right after it's poured, so it's flat and even. Then you got floating, which is like smoothing out that surface to get rid of any bumps or rough spots. After that comes troweling, which is making the concrete super smooth and compact, giving it that finished look you want. Edging is about shaping the edges of the concrete so they don't crack or chip easily later on. Curing is super important too. It's all about keeping the concrete moist for a while so it hardens properly and stays strong. You can use water, plastic sheets, or special curing compounds for that. Also, timing is everything. You don't want to start floating or troweling too soon or too late because it messes with the finish. And always keep an eye on the weather, since rain or super hot sun can change how you handle curing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with concrete finishing is rushing through screeding and floating, which leads to uneven surfaces and weak spots. Fix that by taking your time and using the right tools like a straight edge for screeding and a float for smoothing. Another common issue is neglecting proper curing, causing cracks and surface damage. The fix here is to make sure you keep the concrete moist for at least 7 days by frequently spraying water or covering it well. The third mess up is poor edging, which often causes the edges to chip or break off. Avoid this by carefully shaping the edges with an edging tool right after floating and before the concrete starts setting. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff with concrete finishing and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to get more work, BigHomeProjects.com connects you with people who need your skills, making it easier to grow your business.